Brands don't have a discovery problem in influencer marketing, they have an execution problem. Good morning everyone, I am Krishna Bhardwaj, founder of Tredora, which is execution layer for influencer marketing, which is basically Naukri.com or Indeed for creators. Before moving into showing you guys what exactly we do, I wanted to show some early traction. We started our operations in January. We did 20,000 sales in January. Then we did 40,000 in February. And last month we have crossed 1.2 lakhs. We have more than 1,600 active creators now and more than 15 brands we are actively working with. Influencer marketing is growing, but execution is still growing. Today the process is very manual. We use WhatsApp, Excel and DMs to go through creators and make the deals happen. Today the work is very much manual, slow and unreliable. So what's really broken today? Brands waste weeks chasing creators through WhatsApp and Excels. Every collaboration runs on trust and hope with zero accountability. And missed deadlines and untracked deliverables means brand didn't know what they actually paid for. We are fixing this by fixing execution, not discovery. Brand comes onto our platform, they post a campaign, verified creators with past UGC works and their whole profile, apply to those campaigns, brand match them, and we handle the rest, which is briefs, timelines, deliverables, and payments. Then both brands and creator give reviews and feedbacks to both of them. So they have to take accountability for whatever work they have done. We have already worked with brands like Moderate, Organica Clean, and Playbox in the past month. The market size today, the global creating market size is more than $32.5 billion. India digital advertising market is more than $13 billion. And India UGC market is $1.5 billion. This is exactly the area where Tredora operates in. SMBs and B2C brands are moving from digital advertising, which is photos and normal advertising, to UGC advertising. That's why this market is growing rapidly. We have a 25% CAGR year-on-year growth. Our business model is very simple. We take 20% commission on every campaign that we process. So brand pays per campaign, there is no upfront cost for creators, and revenue grows as transaction volume grows. Today this problem is solved by agencies mostly, which are good in quality but lacks speed. It takes around a month to complete the whole UGC process for one video.
2 minutes.
We have some marketplaces as well, but honestly the quality of these marketplaces aren't good enough to actually even a brand to use. So that's where the gap comes in, and we are here to fill the gap between quality and speed. And we are not a marketplace, neither we are an agency, we are basically an execution layer for this creator economy. Currently we are solving this problem with WhatsApp, direct outreach and through Instagram. But we are on process to launch our beta in the first week of June. And on the first day itself, we'll have active campaigns because we'll have more than 30 active brands, plus we are aiming to have more than 30 active brands and 2,500 creators ready on day one to post their campaigns and make them live. So we are actually building liquidity before we actually build the product. This is me, CEO of the company. I have built 6-figure startups before. I am a creator myself with millions views, and I have done UGC videos, more than 10 paid UGC videos in the last 3 months. I have experience in e-commerce and marketing, and I am driving early traction at Tredora. This is my co-founder cum CTO, Vinayak. He is a software engineer at Synopsys. He has graduated from DTU, and he's a full-stack engineer who is focused on building systems that can scale. Why this is the right time to build Tredora? Because India's creator market is already $1.5 billion and it's growing 25% year on year. Brands are shifting from normal photo advertising to UGC advertising because they work more. Most of the D2Cs stand on UGCs. If you remove UGCs from D2Cs, most of the D2C brands will suffer a huge loss within a day. Execution is still broken and it's manual. The market is ready, but the layer is missing. And we are here to fix that layer by Threadora as an execution layer for trader economics. That's it. Thank you.
So you mentioned about speed, that your advantage is speed.
Right.
But and you will do it on a very quickly.
Right.
But your competitors cannot do it.
Right.
Why?
So,
And what exactly you are doing that they cannot do?
So agencies right now have, so the bottleneck for agencies today is the revenue that they are generating. They are very much profitable to feel the pain of speed. The market is currently running at that pace that if you are giving us a campaign, it is taking at least 3 to 4 weeks to process from finding a creator till delivering the product, till making video and doing editing and everything. So it takes 1 month round. But we are going to remove that initial 2 weeks to just one single day.
How?
Brands, what brands are doing right now, like if brand has to launch a campaign, they go to the founder will tell the marketing head that we need to launch the campaign. The marketing head will go to social media managers, various social media managers, and tell them this is the deliverables that we need. Then social media managers is going to go to WhatsApp, he is going to reach out to creators on Instagram, and whoever replies back to them, they are going to take that list, come back to the marketing manager will report to founder, the founder will select, okay, these are the right creators, and so it's a very long process. We are going to do it by simply, if a company comes and posts their campaign on Naukri.com, they are just simply coming and saying, we need this, post, that's it. You don't need to go and hire 10 people. This is exactly like the same. If a brand comes, they can just simply post, these are deliverables we need. Verified creators will simply apply and they will match and will handle the execution.
So it's a kind of marketplace.
So it's a kind of marketplace, but what we are doing differently is we are also handling the execution. Right? Most of the marketplaces that we have now are just focusing on discovery. So that brands can discover creator can discover brands. But we will actually focus on handling the whole execution part. Right? We'll handle the timelines, we'll handle the deliverables, and we'll make people accountable for what they are doing.
So what's the average contract value?
So average contract value can...
target segment of that, like size, any more specifics of that ideal customer
So specifically,
profile? Right.
because the creators who have more than 1 million followers aren't going to work with us because we are very new to the market.
Not some on the selling side, like someone who is, so for example, who is your buyer? Who is gonna pay you?
Brands are going to pay us.
Brand, right? So what is a brand type? Any specific types of brand?
Mostly, sir, D2C brands who run through UGCs like Dot.in. We have shown Moderate. Moderate is a brand which features.
What's your budget, annual budget for this?
Annual budget, sir, they are spending monthly around 1.5 lakhs per month on spending on just UGCs, not on meta ads, on UGCs.
Where you are focused at?
Yeah, where we are.
12 lakhs is approximately the annual budget.
Yeah, not the annual budget, monthly budget.
So 1 lakh is the annual budget or 12 lakhs you are saying annual budget?
Annual budget would come around to 4 to 5 lakhs because they pay us 1 lakh, let's say, and they will use those videos for a quarter. Then they need new videos.
Okay, so it's not recurring in a way?
It's
It is
recurring
seasonal?
in a way, like it's seasonal.
There
but it's
will be
recurring.
spikes in the volumes and then there will be...
Yeah.
Okay.
Like when Diwali comes, Holi comes, it spikes.
So net annual budget is 5 lakhs. 4 lakhs.
Yeah, per company.
Is there any better opportunity to go from something 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs? Is
So the better opportunity will go through word of mouth as we increase, as we do more sales, as we onboard more creators who have good amount of followers and good amount of videos.
Geography.
Geography is tier 1 to tier 2 cities.
And country.
Country, we are focusing right now on India, but we'll launch globally in the next 3 years.
I'm still a bit worried about this very slow people. As still being nasty competitors potentially, because I suppose they do a little bit more than what you said. I suppose a brand comes to them and says to them, we need something, can you think of something?
Right.
And then they think of something and then they find a creator and so on. But for you, the brand needs to come with a crisp and ready idea. So they have to do the idea on what basis the creators can do stuff. So if those slow agencies design that for them, they are not as slow as you think. And second thing, you just told me that this is a seasonal thing. Diwali is important and so on. So your clients know that. So they know if they want something in near Diwali, they will start asking that in June. And they will have no problem with that period at all.
Sir, let me clarify both of your points. So the first point is that why agencies are slow right now.
Yeah.
Because, no, sorry. First point was that why, agencies decides the idea of the content. It's actually not. It's the brand who tells agencies that we need
Okay,
this.
so they don't do that.
Yeah. So agencies don't decide that. Secondly, the point that you mentioned that agencies are slow for a reason. So maybe, but because there are so many brands that need things urgently. Like if you have a public event and you need UGC's creators over there, you need it urgently. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
So that's when we take in more.
But that goes against what you were just telling in an earlier question, because those events are not in a certain period.
So it's
They are all the time, I suppose.
Yeah, so it's like when there are not Diwali, Holi, there are many other things.
Yes.
In India, it's like full of festivals, right?
I
So
know.
there are many things that are going on.
Yeah.
Brand can launch simply anything. So
Yes.
it's like it's constant. But when Diwali and Holi comes, it's like one of the most biggest festivals.
Sure.
It spikes
Sure.
a little.
Right now, where is the you mentioned some revenue coming in.
Yeah.
So, what is that kind of campaign? Just in short, like what is that kind of campaign?
So like this, like for the
And what happened in that?
Yeah, so like the brand which are shown, Moderate, they come to us, they said, okay, we need male or female influencers who are age 20 to 30, who has good UGC videos in past, and
For what? Like these videos for?
Moderate has a product that is Calorie Crusher, right? So they needed food bloggers or doctors or nutritionists. So we provided them with initially 10 food bloggers. We coordinated the whole process end to end, and we just they connected on the first day. We sent them profiles, we approve, and we send them directly the videos. So we are handling the whole process right now.
So you mean you already have a database of those influencers, which brand might not have?
Yeah. And so brands don't, why agencies exist at first basis? Brands don't have teams who can handle all of this, right? So if a brand do this, either they have a team. If they don't have a team, they have to waste so much time behind these creators that you need like they're going to waste too much time behind finding more creators instead of building the business.
So these are small brands, I understand.
No, sir. These are not small brands. These are actually big brands. I don't know exact revenue what they are doing, but like. This is one of the brands that has come on Shark Tank. We have worked with them. This is a skincare brand, and this is gifts for kids.
Okay, but
brand.
as seen on Shark Tank, that means they are new
They are startups.
and they are small.
They are not exactly like if you guys think that's small, that's small. But for me, it's like we have done that.
Well, it means it's an interesting startup. That's why they were on Shark Tank probably.
Yeah,
But that still means they are not like
yeah. We are.
some big brand, whatever. Nestlé in water.
Sir, I tried
Not a
outreaching.
big brand.
I tried outreaching to bigger brands like Myntra, Amazon, but honestly, no one replies from there. So we have to start with these brands only
No.
to reach that level.
Very good.
That's a good point.
Yeah, and there's no, it's not a judgment. It's just it's a conclusion. It's like
Yeah.
it's important because I was thinking all the time in relatively big brands,
Okay.
and now you say they have no team for that. I think, why would a big brand not have a team for that?
Right.
When you said that, I come to the conclusion you are working for smaller brands,
Yeah.
smaller companies, because otherwise they have such brands, such teams, and not even one or the whole list. So big brands will not easily come to this, I think.
Right.
But there are many small ones.
Yeah.
So that's your market, it's your segmentation.
Any role of AI in this process?
Sir, AI, हम लोग पहले we started initially thought about AI that we are going to generate a Credora score. So every creator will have their score. So the higher the score, the higher the credibility of that creator. But we removed that idea because it was like it was unnecessary. We were putting in AI to our startup, and that was not necessary. So we thought about it. We have kept it, but we are most probably not going to work on it.
Time's up. So next.
Thank you.